We're going to begin by mixing and blending colors to make a variety of greens. After all, green is an exceptionally important color when studying nature, and there are literally hundreds of greens you can create. Make sure you have your pencils and drawing pen handy. I like to have a container like this as it makes for easy accessibility. Now, when it comes to green, a word of advice. Never color with just your green colored pencil. It is not a natural green and should be mixed and blended with other colors, like yellow or blue, to make the colors of nature. You have 2 green pencils in your set. For our purposes, I like to use the darker one. Well, enough said. Let's open our new journals, take out your colored pencils, and we will begin. We are going to border our first page with the leaves and make some delightful greens. Take out your blue colored pencil. We'll start by drawing 6 leaves with our blue pencil along the right-hand border of our first page. And for your leaves, a teardrop shape works fine with a little thin stem. And light blue is a good color to draw these with, keeps them on the light side. And then after those 6, let's draw a 7th leaf right to the left of the bottom leaf right here. When you're finished, what I recommend you do is outline your leaves with your black pen as it'll give you more definition. After you outline or define your leaves with your black pen, and if you don't have time, you can do this later on your own time. Take your black pen and also number these leaves from 1 to 6, and the last one over here, number 7. And then we're going to take out our yellow colored pencil and let's color the first 4 leaves a nice bright yellow. Yellow is a great friend to nature and to greens. Use a lot of yellow. We're going to put this in our first 4, just color it in, blocking in a nice bright yellow. And when you're finished that, also color in leaf number 7 yellow. Last one over to the left right here. Nice flat yellow. Okay. When you're finished, take out your dark green colored pencil. And let's blend the dark green over the yellow in leaf number 2. That's the second one. How nice that is, green and yellow. Let's color over leaf number 3. And also leaf number 4. By the way, when using colored pencils, the less pressure you put on your pencils, the lighter your colors will be. The more pressure you put on your pencils, the darker or richer your colors will be. Next, take out your red colored pencil, and let's take red and go over the green in leaf number 4. And let's also take red and go down to leaf number 6 and color that into the leaf. You will find that red is also a friend to greens, as it gives you a very dull, muted, or olive drab green. Next, take out your black colored pencil and let's color the second leaf. Let's go over just the green in the second leaf with black. Put some more black in there, make it a little bit darker. Black's great for some of your greens too. Don't lean too heavily on blacks, but it'll give you a nice dark, rich green also. When you are finished, take out your light blue colored pencil and let's just color over the top leaf. Look at that green, yellow and blue. By the way, you may want to put color notations next to each one to show the colors that you use, to remind you that you use these colors. So this one is yellow and blue like that, and so forth. This one had a darker green in it right here, and the yellow and the black. It's an academic study, and it's good to have that to refer to. You say, well, I like this green, and here's the colors I used to make it. So you might want to do that also. Okay, let's take out our dark green colored pencil, and let's tone down the black a little bit, putting green over top of that. In the second leaf, making a deep, rich green. And let's go down to the sixth leaf. Look at that, taking the green going over the red. There's your olive drab or muted green. Very nice. And finally let's take green and go over the fifth leaf. And let's put our light blue, a little notation here for your light blue. Put your light blue over that to make another green. And there you have 6 delightful greens. We'll put a little more yellow on top of this one. Okay, one more green I want to show you real quick is let's go down to the, see that? Look at that yellow, how yellow and blue respond next to each other. 6 beautiful greens. Let's go down to the yellow leaf, and we're going to make one more green. Let's take our light green colored pencil and lightly go over the yellow, and then let's take our yellow and go over that. So it's a very faint green. It's a light, bright yellow green. This is a very important color when coloring outside, and it makes your pictures bright, and it also gives you that light, bright yellow green of sunlight. Finally, take out your orange colored pencil and let's draw a figure box in the bottom right-hand corner of the bottom left-hand corner of your journal page. It's your first page. And this is a long figure box, maybe 1.5 inches high and 3 inches wide. Figure boxes like this are great exercises in drawing. Now, if you're not confident and you can't keep your line straight, you can use a ruler for that if you like. And then what I want you to do, I want you to draw one contour line like this. Now watch. Contour line means that you don't pick up your pencil at all. It goes in and out like this, making these abstract shapes. See how I'm doing that? Abstract shapes. And you can, if you want, you can make some in the shape of leaves. Give it that little point for leaves. But don't be tight. Look how I go right over and under some other lines like this. And what I'd like you to do is on your own, you can finish this contour drawing, just abstract shapes like this. Don't pick your paper or your pencil up, in and out. And then what I would like for you to do is take your yellow colored pencil and holding your yellow pencil like this, forefinger over it like this, so using the broad side of the point, let's color in the entire picture a nice bright yellow. This is called laying in a toned surface. And yellow like this is excellent to put in your pictures when working out of doors before you put other colors down. It brightens them up. And then what I'd like for you to do on your own time is take these various colors we made of green and let's color in various shapes in here with a myriad of different greens. Don't forget to leave some of these yellow for your sunlight. You can do that for homework.